Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing great. And in today's video, we are going to discuss lesson 5.3, which is all about exterior angles of polygons. All right, the first question here says, do you calculate the lettered angles? And here they're asking for letter for angle A. Definitely I cannot find angle A in one step or just a straightforward. I need to find the angles that are, or to use the angles that are given to us over here. So the angle that is given to me here is 85. So definitely I can find the angle that is inside. Here, it's 180 minus 85 is going to give you exactly 95 degrees. So we know for sure that this is 95 degrees, both of them adding it to 180. Same thing over here, 152 with this angle, they are supplementary, which means that they add up to 180 degrees. So this one is 28 degrees. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the two opposite interior angles. So if you add these two opposite interior angles, they will give you angle A. 95 plus 28, it's going to give you exactly 123. 123 exactly. All right. The next question over here says to you find angle B. I need to find the or to use the given angles. This is 86, so minus it from 180, it is going to be exactly 94 degrees. Minus this from 180, it's going to give you exactly 115 degrees. We know that the exterior angle, this is an exterior angle with interior, they add up to 180. Exterior with interior add up to 180, and so on. All right, so 100, this is going to be 80 degrees. They add up to 180 degrees. Can I find the fourth angle over here? Yes, just add the three angles and minus them from 360 because we know that the sum of the interior angles of any quadrilateral, this shape is four sides, is 360. So I'm going to do 360 minus, this is 80, 115, 94. So this is 71. Knowing that this is 71, which is supplementary with this exterior angle, so exterior and its interior, they add up to 180 degrees. So this one is exactly 109 degrees. B is 109. They wanted to work out the exterior angle of a square. The interior of a square is 90 degrees. So the exterior is 180 minus its interior, which is minus 90, equals 90 degrees. So the exterior of the square is 90 degrees. An equilateral triangle, Mr. The equilateral triangle, the interior angle is 60 degrees. So I'm going to have 60 degrees minus from 180 degrees, it's going to give me the exterior, which is 120 degrees. Work out the exterior angles of this parallelogram. A parallelogram has a specific property, which is the two opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. This is 74, so this is 74. This is something that you need to know. This is a fact about parallelograms. This is 74, so this is 74. Well, Mister, what about the other two angles? I know these two angles, which add up to 148, 74 and 74. 148. So 360 minus 148 is going to give me the other two angles together. But I'm going to divide them by 2 to give me each angle. So this is going to give me 360 minus 148. This is going to add, this is going to result into 212 exactly. 212 is the size of the two angles together, but I want only one angle, so it is going to be 212 divided by 2, which is 106 degrees. So this is 106, this is 106. Mister, I finished? No, you did not finish. You just found the size of the four interior angles, but they are requesting from you the exterior angles. Not a problem at all, mister. We've just done the hard part. The easiest part is yet to come. Here, this is 74. Then the exterior angle of this minus it from 180 is going to give you exactly 106 degrees. And the exterior angle of the 106 minus it from 180, it is going to give you exactly 74 degrees. So 74, 74. I got two exterior angles with 106 degrees, two interior angles of 74 degrees, two exterior 74 degrees. This is 106, and this is going to give me also 106. This is 74, and the other is also going to give me 74. We wanted to work out the angle, the value of A, which is this one. Mister, in order to find this, I have to find the interior angles. This is 60 exterior, so the interior of it is 120 degrees. And this is 70, so this is 110. This is 100. This is 90. Add the four of them up, minus from 360. So 360 minus the four of them, 100 and 110, 210, 210, 310, 330, 330 and 90. 330 and 90 is going to be 420. Mister, you made a mistake. This is not a quadrilateral. It is a pentagon. The sum of the interior angles of a pentagon is not 360. 360 is for quadrilaterals. So the pentagon is 540. How do you know it? Well, I know for sure that following this rule here, that we learned in lesson 5.2, n minus 2, you multiply it by 180, is going to give you the sum of the interior angles of any polygon. This is a pentagon, so 180 times 5 minus 2, which is 3, is going to give you exactly 540. So that's why I minus from the 540 the sum of the four angles, which is 420. That will give me exactly 120 degrees. So the fifth angle here is 120 degrees. So what is the size of A? 6 degrees, because exterior equals 180 minus interior. All the exterior angles of a pentagon are equal. What size is each angle? Well, exterior angle, what is the size of the interior? If I know right now that the pentagon is 540. We've just done it right now, right? 540 divided by 5. What is it going to be here? 540 divided by 5 is going to give me the interior. So one interior equals 540 divided by 5, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 108. 108, so the exterior is going to be 180 minus 108, which is 72 degrees. But actually, there was a much easier way to do this. So I just found the interior, since they said that all of them are equal, all the exterior are equal. So this is a regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means that it is 540 divided by 5 gives me 108. How did I do it? I did 180 times n minus 2 over n. Gave me 540 over 5. So 180 is the size of one interior. The exterior then is going to be what? 180 minus 180 is 72 degrees. So the size of each exterior angle is 72 degrees. Masari said that there is an easier way. Yes. Well, I know that the sum of the exterior angles, all the exterior angles together, all exterior together, they add up to 360. Yeah, I have 5 exterior because that's a pentagon, and the 5 are equal. So 360 over 5 will give me the exterior. 360 divided by 5. 360 divided by n will give you exterior. So 360 divided by 5 is going to give you what? 72 degrees as well. We learned this rule, knowing that exterior of a regular polygon equals a 360 over n. They told you it's a pentagon, so 360 over 5 equals a 72 degrees. Work out the number of sides of a regular polygon when the exterior angle is 60 degrees. Well, Mister, I know the exterior, you wanted the number of sides. We learned this rule that n equals 360 over exterior. So n equals 360 over 60 for this one. 360 divided by 60 is going to give you exactly 6 sides. 360 divided by the exterior 45 is going to give you exactly 8 sides. Am I right? Yes, 90 times 4. 360, yes, exactly 8. 360 divided by 40 is going to give you exactly 9 sides. 360 divided by 36 is going to give you exactly 10 sides. Explain why the exterior angle of a regular polygon could be 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, but could not be 50 degrees. Actually, because the exterior angles 20, 30, 40 are factors of 360, while 50 is not a factor of 360. The interior angle, question 8. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 170. Work out the exterior. Mister, we learned that the exterior equals 180. Exterior equals a 360 over n. Yes, but I don't have now the number of sides, but they're telling me the interior. So it is 180 minus interior. They said it's 170, so it is 10 degrees. So the exterior is 10 degrees. Work out the number of sides. Well, Mister, we learned that the number of sides, n equals 360 over exterior. So n equals, we found that the exterior is 10. So 360 divided by 10 equals 36 sides. So 36 sides. Challenge: a square, a regular hexagon, and another regular polygon meet at P. Work out the number of sides of the other regular polygon. So a square, a regular polygon, hexagon, and another regular polygon. So they're saying that this, which is 90 degrees, and this, what shape is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a hexagon. So what is the interior angle of a regular hexagon? The interior angle of a regular hexagon. Let's do it. It's a second. The interior of a regular hexagon, it is found through this rule, n minus 2 multiplied by 180 over n, which is 180 times 6 minus 2 is 4 over 6. So this is going to give you exactly 720 over 6 equals 120. So this is 120 degrees, 120, and this is 90. So what is the interior? 90 and 120 is what? 90 and 120 is exactly 210. So P is what? P equals 360 minus 120 and 90, right? The interior angle of the square is 90. Interior angle of the hexagon, the regular hexagon, is 120. So P equals 360 minus 210, which is going to give you exactly 150 degrees. So P is 150. Mister, they did not request the size of the interior angle. They said it's a regular polygon, yes. That's what they said. But they wanted the number of sides of the other regular polygon. They wanted the number of sides. Well, not a problem at all. I know that the interior is 150. So exterior is what? Exterior is 180 minus 150, which is 30 degrees. Oh, I found the exterior. So the number of sides, n, is 360 over exterior, which is 30. So 360 divided by 30 is 12. Exactly. So this shape is 12 sides. just by knowing the interior. 150, so the exterior is 30. 360 divided by 30 will give you the number of sides. Here are the saying to A, B, B, C, and C, D are three sides of a regular polygon. Here is the three sides of the regular polygon. How many sides does the polygon have? Well, let's see. This is 30. This is 90. So this, we know that this is also 90, this part. But what is the other part over here to know the interior angle of the whole thing? We know that this is 90 degrees. What is this? 90 and 30, 120. 120 minus it from 180 for this triangle. So it is going to be 60 degrees exactly. So this is 60. 60 and 90 will make the interior of this shape. So interior equals 90 and 60, 150 degrees. 150 degrees. So exterior is what? Exterior equals 30 degrees. So what are the number of sides? Because that's what they wanted. They wanted the number of sides of this polygon. So n equals the 360 over exterior, which is 30. So it is 12 sides. This shape has 12 sides exactly. Justify your answer just to show these steps. All right. Question 12. Three of the exterior angles of a hexagon are x, and the other three exterior angles are x plus 10. Work out the value of x. So here, three of the exterior angles of a hexagon. Hexagon has six exterior angles. Why? Because it's a hexagon, right? It is a hexagon. But the singular three of them has x. It has the value x. So x plus x plus x, right? That's three of them, three of the exterior angles, which means the 3x. Good. And the other three exterior angles are x plus 10 each. Well, so x plus 10 multiplied by 3. So it is 3 multiplied by x plus 10, which is 3x plus 30. So, mister, I have the sum of the six exterior angles. The sum of the now these are three exterior angles of the hexagon. These are the other three exterior angles of the hexagon. So the six exterior angles are 3x plus 3x plus 30. Now I wrote an expression for the six exterior angles. Let's simplify, but we know, mister, that the sum of all the exterior angles, the sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. If you add the exterior angles of any polygon, they add up to 360 degrees. So 3x plus 3x is 6x, plus 30 is 360. Send the 30 to the other side, so 6x equals 330. So x equals, let me take this down a little bit. So x equals 330 divided by 6 is going to give you exactly 55 degrees. So x is 55. I just added 3x again, 3x because they said three angles with x, 3x, and the other three angles with x plus 10. So 3 multiplied by x plus 10, then 3x plus 30 will add up. This is all the exterior angles will add up to 360. Solve the equation to find 1x equals 55. That's what they wanted. The exterior angles here, they're saying to you that the exterior angles of an octagon are y plus 2, y plus 4, and the rest of them are listed here. Work out the largest interior angle of the octagon. Well, first I need to find the value of y. So here, I got how many y's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 y. So 8y plus, I got here, there is nothing, but here 2, plus 4, 6, plus 6, 12, plus 8, 20, plus 10, 30, plus 12, 42, 42 plus 14, 56. All of this add up to the exterior angles. All the exterior angles add up to 360 we learned. Let's solve the equation. So 8y equals minus 56 to the other side is going to give you exactly 304. So y equals divide 304 by 8. It is going to give you exactly 38. So y is 38 degrees. Is this what they want? They want the value of y? No, 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 no. It's not like question 12. They want you to find the interior, the largest interior angle. Let's agree on one thing. Largest interior has smallest exterior because both of them add up to 180 degrees. So if I have a very large exterior, the interior is going to be very small. If I want a very large interior, then I'm going to choose a very small exterior. Here they are requesting the largest interior, then I must look for the smallest exterior. The smallest exterior is just y. Y is 38. So the largest interior has exterior only y. That's the smallest exterior, which is y. So 180 minus 38 equals exactly 142 degrees. So the largest interior angle is going to be 142 degrees. That's it. Thank you so much and see you in another video.